Man, do I hate my lousy life. I mean, all I ever do is just mooch off my parents' money, eat junk food while watching old TV reruns, and basically goof off every single waking moment. Nah, who am I kidding? This life is great! Wow, I didn't know they still made movies that horrible. I would say the director was a lawyer for it to be that boring.
I don't know, you just saw a documentary about dirt. Right?
Oh, right. I forgot about that. Did you see too, Mr. Biggest Geek in the World?
Oh, stop kidding around, Evice. I told you my name was Marvin back in first grade.
And the grade after that, and the grade after that, and every single other one.
Yeah, good times.
Not from my point of view.
That's a good one, Evice.
Yeah, whatever.
Ah!
Eh? Hmm.